Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. Our question today comes from Larry. He lives in Tucson, Arizona. His question is, do you grow the 128 square foot garden in a greenhouse, and how do you keep the birds out of your containers? So yes, we do grow the high performance garden, the 128 square foot garden, in a greenhouse. But we still have birds that get in the greenhouse, and we do have to do some things to keep the birds out of our gardens. So this is a really great question because I know a lot of you guys have birds that will get into your garden. So the best way to keep the birds out is to have a physical barrier. You know, the things that scare the birds, they usually don't work consistently enough, you know, the flashing things and the scarecrows and whatever. So you want a physical barrier. You could use a low tunnel covered in shade cloth or a light wire mesh. You could also build a structure over the beds and put your light wire mesh on that as well. Chicken wire would work. What I use is a 20% white shade cloth. So I have my low tunnel on the garden and I just draped the shade cloth over it. And the nice thing about the 20% white shade cloth is you can pretty much grow anything under it. And it's also great to cut out some of the sunlight in some of the hot desert locations. Keeping birds out of the garden is pretty easy as long as you just provide a physical barrier that they can't get through. So if you have a garden question you would like answered, please go ahead and click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you'd like to learn more about high performance gardening and want to see us grow a whole season of vegetables week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. So in the show, we follow a high-performance garden from seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week, all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system that you can use for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime. So go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show and sign up for the show. And or you can click the link below in this video. So I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more high performance gardening information, and go ahead and submit your gardening questions so you can get the answers that you need. So until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.